To get notified when an app accesses your clipboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable alert when clipboard accessed option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen to the bottom. Under privacy section, tap additional privacy controls and then tap the gray on option next to alert when clipboard accessed until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By enabling this option, you will be notified when an app accesses text, images or other content you have copied before. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.